up, Scott from 4 Low Photo here, and we're staging up for the trail ride that's about to go down on California to kick off Jeeptoberfest here. There's a lot of people up here in Winn-Dixie, and we're pumped to get this started and get Jeeptoberfest weekend rolling. Took a little bit with all the Jeeps, but we're rolling. We're in the forest now. We're ready to go. Trail ride time. It's free. The trail decides where we go.
Okay, we're all in sugar sands, at least 4 high. Last red. Leader, yellow leader, I copy that, and I'll idle along here.
Copy that, thank you. Group 1, we've got one stopped before the left turn, one stopped on the side of the road. I'll hold up and wait for him.
Alright, yellow group 1, as soon as traffic is cleared, we will roll.
Yellowtail moving, ready to follow. Group 2, yellow. Where is the breakdown yet? Yellowtail breakdown is, oh, never mind, he's running again.
Station go left. Yellow leader to the group.
Yellow group all together.
All right, status report. We are 20 miles in. Let's see, about 3 hours into this Jeeptober kickoff ride in the Ocala Forest. Everything's going great. I've never gone with a group this big. There's 200 plus. Ocala Jeep Club did a great job. We've broken up into smaller groups, and happen to be in group 1, and we're rolling pretty good. So we should be nearing our end over here where we can go set up camp. But yeah, great job Ocala Jeep Club and setting up this pre-Jeeptober ride, and can't wait for the rest of the weekend.
6, marked with orange tape. We're turning off here on 13, gonna head back to 40. Appreciate the ride. We gotta go back and check on the puppy. Over. Directions are available from our final ride ending at 42.
I wonder who was touching my butt.
Oh my God.
Hey, pain in the butt. But can I have a hug now?
Put that body on me. Coming out, follow my lead. Come.
Why are you counting
You know I have an extended mag for that good.
Why did you?
All right, so it's about midnight. Is the tent set up, you know, super glamorous, air mattress, tent. Yeah, we're ready to go. We had super fun today. We visited some other campsites, and we're ready for tomorrow. So let's go Jeeptoberfest. All right, ran over to the booth to pick up my shirt. Look at that sweetness. I had the pleasure of actually getting to design this today, this year for Jeeptober. You can see the 4 low up on there. I got my signature up in the corner. So that was pretty cool. Thank you for that opportunity, Ocala Jeep Club. So yeah, make sure you bivvy your shirt and get to enjoy your event. That's what the front looks like, and they're sold over in the horse corral over on the far end by the vendors. You can go pick those up over there from the Ocala Jeep Club. Party time, let's do this, hit the trails. All right. my.
Better use your parsley.